Welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. Today, in Unit 2, My Beautiful Memories, we will be covering the section of grammar, in which we will learn about simple past tense. So, open up page number 37 and let's get started. The simple past tense is used to show completed actions or events. The sentence structure of the simple past tense is subject, verb with along with d or ed, object and time, or it might be without a time. So the sentence may or may not contain an object. It can tell us about a specific time when the action took place. Let's look at the given examples. The game started at 4 p.m. In this sentence, we have a subject, a verb, and a time mentioned, but we do not have an object. Let's look at the second example. We moved to our new house on 7th April. In this sentence, we have all of the elements mentioned above. The last sentence is yesterday I solved a word puzzle. Here yesterday is a time, and then after the time we have a subject, then a verb, and at the end we have an object. Now let's come to the second way of making a simple past tense, which can be used without mentioning a specific time. For example, I quickly opened the suitcase. Here the time is not mentioned, right? We're not specifically defining within what time limit was the suitcase opened, but we are telling that it was opened quickly. Let's look at the second sentence. I visited my friends. Again, in this sentence, we do not have the time mentioned. Let's come to the last sentence. We talked to each other. Again, in this sentence, the time is not mentioned. We do not know for how long did we talk. Now, let's come and do an activity. Make some sentences using simple past tense on a loose sheet. I have made one sentence for you. John Cabot sailed to America in 1498. In this sentence, all of the elements have been mentioned: the subject, the verb, the object, and the time period as well.